I love a good air fryer, and this one right here is an air fryer toaster oven. Literally something that will do it all. I think this is so cool. I love the way it looks. It's like really modern. Like it just kind of looks like an oversized toaster, which I think is really cool. So it comes with a few different trays here. So we've got our nice like baking pan, they're calling this one. This one is the crumb sheet. I love that it just kind of slides out like this, so it's going to make it really easy to clean. And then of course we do have our air frying basket right here, and then of course you just have your tray right up here as well. Probably one of my favorite things is right here are how big the buttons and like the numbers are. Everything is super clear, so you just like turn it on or off, and then you have a menu button, and then right here hopefully you can see that you can go through. You've got toast, air fry, bake, we have broil, we have dehydrate. This thing even dehydrates. You could do pizza, reheat, roast, bagel, or waffle. I think that's really cool. I don't even think I've seen waffle as an option before. But of course, if you don't want to do any of that, you have your temperature, you have your time, and you can just put those in manually if you want to. I always tell people, if you've never used an air fryer before, it's just kind of trial and error. I like to call myself an air fryer queen because I didn't have an oven for about 4 years, and all I used was my air fryer. And you know, the first few times you try something, sometimes it doesn't work, but then just put it back in there and you are good to go. But this one here, love the size of it. It's just kind of like, you know, a little bit smaller than like a microwave, but it's got a really great look to it. This of course is going to replace so many different electronics, which is fantastic. And I love when they give you a good recipe book here. Of course you can look a bunch up online, but I mean, just having something in your hands. Some of these, I was flipping through these and I'm like, man, this looks mouth watering. So yeah, if you are looking for a new kind of like toaster, oven, air fryer, dehydrator, this one right here literally does it all.